contestant. We're having Ken Lee. Come over here. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Ken Lee. And parents may have trouble understanding their high school kids and not mention to mentor them. They never listen, right? And teachers and tutors can only help kids on their academic performance, but not mentoring them. And here comes the solutions. So I create an online tutoring platform for parents to choose the right tutor to their kids. And young professionals can join into this network who are willing to teach, of course. And we create a database to help matching the tutor and the kids. And kids can almost learn everything from this platform, from the mentor, from the tutor, not just academic. So they may learn how to cook, they may learn how to ride a bicycle. So everything. And they may meet the right mentor to help create their future career pathway. So I'm the bridge for who willing to teach and who willing to learn. Thank you.